Welcome back. Doing my hair today.
You're so pretty.
What are you getting? What are you going to do to your hair, Belle?
Boomy berries.
What are you doing to your hair?
Putting boomy berries in my hair.
How many?
2 and 3.
2 and 3? Just 2,
Yeah.
baby. You ready to go? Are you going to say it hurts?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you promise? Okay, give me pinky promise if you're not going to say it
Thank
hurts.
you, Mommy.
This one.
Thank
Okay, no hurting, okay?
you. Okay.
Might be gentle.
That's me.
Yeah.
It's tickles, Mommy.
It tickles?
Yeah.
It's all wet.
That's red. It tickles, Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does the combing hurt?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, good. Let me be gentle.
Gentle.
Yeah. Can you count to 5?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
I didn't.
4, 5, 6, 7. Yay, I did it!
How come we didn't start at 1?
Mommy.
No, start from 1 and count to 5.
5,
Start at 1, Mama. 1.
1, 2, 1, 3. Well done, Bella, Mommy.
What's that
You
smell?
will get a strawberry if you behave, Mommy. You seven me, send me a rainbow hair to me.
Okay.
Oh,
You like it?
yeah. Yay!
Okay, turn, look at the camera. Actually, stay looking like this to me.
And blueberries.
I see my face.
You can see your face.
Yeah, not your face.
That's exactly how the last one mash up. Because when they get to that weight,
Give me my avocado.
I don't need you to comb it though, baby.
But you tell me I can't do it.
I never told you that today.
Yeah.
When?
Tonight. When to read.
Tonight you're going to sleep?
When she went to sleep.
Oh, that was
which is last
yesterday. I
night.
let you comb it yesterday, but not today when I'm doing your hair.
Mommy's was morning.
It was morning? No, it was nighttime.
No, it was morning.
Okay, whatever you say, Belle. Okay, now that her hair is fully parted down the middle, I am taking my brush and I'm just trying to smooth it out as much as possible. Belle's hair is much thinner than Salem's, and it's a little bit more straighter. It's a little bit more straight than Salem's as well. But that does not make it any easier to manage. Once her hair is as smooth as possible, I put it in 2 low ponytails, and this is where I will thread or crochet the fake hair through. The method I used was pretty much the same as her sister's. I put a crochet hook through horizontally and pulled the hair through that way, and then I put one through vertically and I pulled the hair through that way as well. So in the end, it's like a cross or a plus sign. I then started braiding, and because Belle is smaller and younger, I made her braids shorter, so they pretty much stopped mid-back. Now, Belle's hair was a little bit easier to work with in the sense that because it was thinner, it was easier to tuck, and I had more hair under the elastic, versus Salem's hair, which is thicker and curlier, and I didn't have as much hair under her elastics. Once I get to the end of the braid, I do tie it off with the hair itself, but then I take a clear elastic and I put it around there for extra security as well. I then repeat the process on the second ponytail, and then we can get to curling the ends. See.
It's squishy, Mommy.
It's squishy?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. It's very squishy, Mommy.
As you can see, the flexi rods are in and she's ready to be dipped in hot water. Don't forget your towel.
You look funny. You look like a clown. No, you look like a princess.
You Millie rocking? Hey, Belle, don't move your head like that. It's not a cat, baby. It's a raccoon. Belle, stop moving, baby. You don't want the water to get you.
Mommy, are you concerned about it?
Yes, I am.
I can have my tan now.
Okay, Belle, hold your towel tight.
Wet my hair too. I want pink. I like having bangs. There's something in there. I can't get the pink one.
There we go.
Can I go now? It's my turn to
Ouh là 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 là, mademoiselle, vos cheveux sont finis. Wow.
They're so droppy. That looks like a princess.
She looks like a princess. Mom, use the TV again for me.
Am I hair down?
Yes, look.
Look like a princess, Mommy.
You do.
Yeah.
You are a princess.
Yeah, I'm a princess. That looks like...
Hold on, baby.
That looks like Cinderella. Yeah.
What is it? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Give me peace sign. Do this. Show me two. Yeah. You like your hair?
Belle, do this.
Okay, say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Good.
Bye.